Alright, hello everybody. Just finished up this, I think this is like an 86 or 87 EQK, 12,000 BTU, 220 unit. It was really rusty, scraped and painted. There was some pinholes in the chassis, but nothing structural. And new brighted the coils, cleaned up the cover somewhat. I did have to epoxy this corner in there. The pivot was broken. Filter's in good shape. It's a window unit in a sleeve, so it's got these channels here that you put your side pieces in. Here's the back of the unit. You can still kind of make out Emerson Quite Cool on the sticker, although it is worn. It's got these brackets right over here. And these go from under the unit and they hook under the windowsill. They're adjustable. So it's a pretty solid window installation. This thing blows strong. 12,000 BTUs. I think you do a whole first floor with this thing. I mean, it's a strong 12,000. Now turn it on. We'll put on a fan first. That's the low speed. Medium. High. A lot of airflow out of this thing. Alright, quiet. Turn on the compressor. It's a Panasonic rotary. As I've always said, Panasonic rotary is some of the quietest rotaries out there. Give it a listen. Already getting cold. This thing blows hard. It's got a full charge in it. Full factory charge. Still hasn't built head pressure yet. See, it's starting to get into the 40s in some places. Got to be near the end of EQK, still making their own units. Board's in real good shape. This is the end here. There's the cord. Let's see if we get a shot of the back. Temp gun takes a few seconds to kind of stabilize, going from hot to cold. 30s. This is a good unit. It blows cold. And the EER is pretty good on it too. It's EER of 8.2. Not so bad, really. Good unit. It's got the watt watcher feature.